席にお戻りいただき、ペンライトをしっかりと握りしめてください。
Hey boy, I like the way you talk, I like the way you speak, tell me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm liking everything, but it's not enough. Say boy, if I wanna ride, if I'm in the mood and I need you right now. If you're with your crew and I needed you to bounce, feel like you should kick it on another night. I get, no money, I never get this crazy. My reality is all you lately. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came in, rock the boat, got me off the beat like shaking off the streamline. Rock the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in, rock the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in, hot, the way you got me hot. You turn it up a notch, spin up a couple knots, then I felt the drop. My heart wouldn't stop. You got me sweating, Okinawa, and I said, what's up? Okay, we can take it two ways. Me and what the meter was singing on top of the waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drank the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Fuji, maybe it was Kool-Aid. No, my mama would never let me. Hypothetically, you're mine already. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came in, rock the boat, got me off the beat like shaking off the streamline. Rock the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in, rock the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came in. And so you're playing that game, back to back, you've been calling all day, back and forth, calling even my friends, even on text, even on sends. Don't trip, boy, give me my space. Obsession was never my thing. Take your time.